Hello guys, today we're going to work on page 52. So we have understand and we have what makes this story funny. Well, I have this part. Look, we will ride the cow to the train to France. Okay, is it possible for this many people to ride a cow? Do people ever ride cows? What do you think about that? So answer in your mind. Good job. Now, in the presentation, I have the exercise A, B, and C. So we're going to work together, okay? So I have some examples in the presentation. And remember, if you have any question, if you don't understand something, please write an email, okay?